Hi everybody, Cynthia here. As you can see, I've been very busy making a lot of different accordion scrapbook albums for Halloween, and I just thought I'd share them with you. I've been having a lot of fun. Accordion albums is one of my favorite styles to create, and I did this style. I actually made this style last year, where it's longer and shorter this way. This is actually in one of the Haunted Projects of Halloween series. So I'll post this album itself in a link below if you'd like to make this style. And then I also have, just to put the base together for this style. And I'll post that link below as well in case you'd like to create this style accordion album or the other one. Pardon me, I'm losing my voice, guys. So I make little display boxes that they can sit in, so you can sit them around and they almost look like a decoration in themselves. My mom also makes these, and I sell these in my eBay. All of these are in my eBay store, so I'll post that link below if you'd like to check them out. But she loves to make these as well, so I thought I'd share one of her latest ones. And it says, "Don't worry, I won't bite." And then there's a vampire there, which I think is really cool. And then this is her front cover. She has a spooky tree and a crow and some bats, and then it says "Happy Halloween." I love this banner, so cute. And I'll just page through all of them really quick. She embossed some of her photo mats, but there's two here and two here. And then she has a pocket here with extra pull-outs for more photos. And two here. Some adorable embellishments. And then she has a side pocket here. I love this paper that she used. It's so stinking cute. I love really bright colors for Halloween and vintage. I love like a bit more vintage look as well. And then she fussy cut this out. It says "Beware." And all of our embellishments, when we place them on, you can just slide your photos behind. She created this pocket here: double, toil and trouble, fire burn, cauldron bubble. And she has this sweet tag inside. And then behind it, she tucked two of these. Oops, that's upside down, I think. No, it's not. Two of these photo mats. So she has a lot of extra photo mats in hers as well. And then it flips this way. Another corner pocket here. More photo mats, Witch's Dance. And it flips this way. I love this. Boo. I think that's so cute. Two photos here and another photo there. So that's my mom's latest one. And then just keep going with this one. It says "Happy Haunted Halloween." I put a little cute spider with beads on his eyes and a spider web here. It has a ribbon closure. You just open it up. I layered in some paper, some washi tape, and some beads, made a rosette. It says "Best Costume" here. And then it flips open for two photo mats, another handmade embellishment, this cute tag, and another photo mat here. And then there's one of the witch's boots I made last year, and you can tuck your photo right behind it. Another cute tag. Made a belly band here. It says "Deadly Nightshade." Then I hand stamped "Best Witches" on this one with two little witches' hats, and they just slide right in the belly band. And two areas for a photo here. Down here I made a little envelope pocket, and I tucked in this tiny Monster Goodies tag. and this little tag here. And then the back pocket has a tag, hand stamped Scaredy Cat. And behind the pocket is another photo mat. So they're all basically the same type style. 2 photo mats, a big pocket here says Trick or Treat, and then I have some more cute tags, hand stamped Happy Haunting. Then I have this pumpkin shaped tag that says Favorite Candy, where you can journal, and then the other side. And then there's another photo mat that I stamped 2 ghosts, and it says Too Cute to Spook. And there's more details about these over on my eBay site. And then this page here. So that's this one. And then I made this one with a display box. Keep Out. Really cute acetate cat there. And then this is my front cover. So I drew out a witch's hat from glittered cardstock and I popped it up, and it says it's all just a bunch of hocus pocus. Have some spider webs in the back and a cute little spider here. Has some black sheer ribbon as a closure. And then same basic style. I made these camera embellishments quite a while ago. If I find the video, I will post that link below as well. And then I handmade this little, this actually came from a stamp set, and I put a black piece of cardstock on top. And I don't know if you could see the background, but I stamped like this spooky webbing with gray gray ink, and then it has Smile on it, and I popped a little ghost in the background there. And then same style, 3 tags, belly band, handmade embellishment. This one says Happy Halloween, tag in a photo mat. Then there I got another little envelope pocket here with some cute little tags, journal tag there. Back pocket with another tag and a photo mat. Got another pumpkin one. 2 photo mats here. It says Pumpkin Patch. 2 here and 1 here. So that's this style. And this one I really love because it's so like creepy vintage looking. But I made another display box. It says Keep Out. That's what they look like. And then this one says Halloween Hauntings. I absolutely love this right here. I think that's so cool. This is more vintage looking, so I really like that. But I made a tag in the background and put it through my spiderweb embossing folder, inked it up, a little bow on the tag, a little key here. And then this is the ribbon closure. And open up, same basic style, handmade embellishment, says Haunted House. And then I have a bunch of different tags tucked in here. And then there's another one back here. Oh, wrong way. And then nice big photo mat, 2 tags tucked in a belly band here. And then a potion bottle, another handmade embellishment here. And another back pocket with tag in that. And then behind the tag is another big photo mat. Love the vintage paper look. I handmade this with my Cricut actually. It says Trick or Treat, little ghost. Then this bottom pocket here, I have a bunch of different tags and photo mats in this one. And then these 2 areas for photos here. So those are that style of accordion albums that we've been working on. And then, like I said, this style here that flips this way, This is also, there's a tutorial on this one. Made a display box for it. And it says creepy trick or treat, and I have some banners with some twine up top here. And then I also drew like a faux stitching all the way around the edge on both of these. And then this is the inside. It says Spellcasting 101. There's a little witch's boot. And then there's journal cards and large photo mats tucked into the corner pocket. And then I have a ghost I made from my Cricut over here, and then little candies and a pardon me, cupcake. Little trick for treat. And then You Don't Scare Me. And then I have one of those hands I made and inked up from my Cricut. It says Fright Night. Photo mat. Another journal card, The Night's Frights, in a side pocket here. And then this is the back. I made a little tiny pocket on this side with a little tag, and then tucked in a photo mat behind that. And then it flips this way, corner pocket, another handmade embellishment, and I tucked in some more tags here. I love this, it's like a little trick-or-treat bag. What a Scare, nice big photo mat. Cupcake, 2 photo mats, nice big pocket. And here we have my favorite candy corn journal card to give away. Candy to give away, it says. And then a nice photo mat right here. So that's that one. And the other one is the same basic style, just a little bit differently decorated. There's a big bat on this display box. This one says Trick or Treat, and I have little puffy candies. It's another spider here. Made a banner for the corner. Did the faux stitching. And I'll just page through it because it's pretty much the same style tags. These have spooky eyeballs. Over here I have spooky and then a witch's broom. Happy hauntings and some stars on the corner pocket with tags. Another tag back here in a pocket. This one says Trick or Treat. And then it flips this way. Corner pocket, more tags. I want candy. Little skeleton ghoul guy here. And like I said, your photos will slide behind the embellishments. Another back pocket here, some journaling you can do there. And that's it, guys. That's the latest accordion mini albums. As you can see, my mom and I have been very busy. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will post the links below. Take care, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting.